Hello everyone. As you understand, today is not a project video. I just like to say thank you very much for an incredible year. It was amazing for me. I can't believe that 9,500 people follow me on YouTube. If you're watching in the map, Kefaloni Island is just a little dot on the map, but it's amazing. Thank you very much, because if you are not here all this time to support me and send me your comments and your ideas, it will not easy for me to keep doing this work. This year was also hard because I destroyed my old store and I built a new one from the beginning, and a lot of changes on my workshop, my channel growing up. It was an amazing year. So I have some projects that are running on, but I'm not sure if I can finish it until the end of the year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I wish to all of you have happiness, health and love in their lives. So until the next time, take care.